Welcome back, guys. I will try to fix this chip. He has this problem. You can see in my other videos. First it was like this and like this, but now it's pretty better. It's better, and I want to fix his feet. I will put them like this. So I will use this electric tape. Probably most of you have. Okay, it doesn't hurt him right now. Take care of your okay. Cute. Let's make the operation about like this distance. So do not touch the sorry, dude. Okay, press it here a little. Now you have to learn to walk like this. He doesn't want to go anywhere. Dude, what's wrong with you? What are you not walking? Okay, now I put it back, and in a few hours I will take out the tape or cut. He will know how to balance himself. See, he will not plunge in the face. So I will cut it. Bye bye. See you for another video.